Johnny! Oh, there he is right there. Stay in the truck. I'm gonna go grab Johnny.
You really?
Johnny!
Seriously? Johnny's doing repos now?
What are you doing? Johnny, you can't do repos by yourself. Oh, somebody's blocking him in. Johnny!
Do I need to come help you?
Whoa, who are you? That's a repossession, man. I'm with that guy.
You ain't repossessing.
Look, dude, I'm with Johnny! I'm coming, Ronnie, I'm coming! Backhoe! Get up, boy, get up!
Johnny, lost control of Backhoe. We gotta go save him.
No, wrong way! Johnny, what are you doing? No! Johnny! Ronnie's all right! Johnny! Look what you did! Johnny! Come on, get out of here, come on! Come on, man,